Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. In today's presentation, we are going to tackle a question regarding the volume of a rectangular container. So the question reads, the volume of a rectangular container with a square base is 1152 centimeters cubed. If the height is 8 centimeters, what is the length of each side of the base? To tackle this question, we will start by sketching the container. So we draw the container with a square base. So the top also has a square shape. So we have the height, and we now have the square base. So this container, we do not know the dimensions of the square base. So our length here, we can assign it a variable called x, which should also be the same as the width of the rectangular container. So we have x as the width, and notice that this length and this length is equal. So the width and the length are equal. However, we have been given the dimensions of the height, which is 8 centimeters. Now from the formula of calculating the volume, we know that volume is equal to length of the base multiplied by the width of the base, and then multiplied by the height of the rectangular container. These dimensions will give us the volume of that container. In this case, we have been given the volume as 1152 centimeters cubed is equal to, our length is equal to x centimeters multiplied by our width, which is also x centimeters multiplied by our height, which is 8 centimeters. So we can simplify our equation and we get 1152 centimeters cubed equals to x multiplied by x gives us x squared centimeters squared multiplied by 8 centimeters is equivalent to the volume of that shape. Now we want to remove 8 from this side of the equation, so we divide both sides by 8 centimeters and we divide this other side by 8 centimeters. So this 8 centimeter will cancel out. By 8 we get 1, by 8 we get 1. Cancel here, by 8 we get 1. Cancel this by 8, we get 1, 4, 4. And then cancel by centimeters, we get centimeters squared. So in this case, we get 144 centimeters squared equals to x squared centimeters squared. So to get the value of x, we can divide here by centimeters squared since it is common both sides. Cancel here by centimeters squared. So this crosses out. And then we have 144 equals to x squared. So to get the value of x, we can find the square root both sides. Find the square root both sides. So the square root of x squared is equal to x and the square root of 144 is equal to 12. So this means that the value of x will be equal to 12 centimeters. So now we have been able to get the length of each side of our base. This brings us to the end of our presentation today. Looking forward to seeing you in our next presentation. Thank you.